What fragrance is to a flower, love is to a human being. The essence of life is exuberance. That's what the holy celebrations are about. Time to maximize your aliveness. We are born enlightened, but we have chosen to be ignorant. Whatever you do, you can either do it willingly or unwillingly. If you do it willingly, it will be heaven. If you do it unwillingly, it will be hell. The basis of yoga is this: to be absolutely intense and relaxed at the same time. The physical body has its own memory. Intimacy without commitment leads to disorganization of the human being and in turn to disorganization of society. It takes all kinds of people to make the world beautiful. You can do it too. We must evolve society for women to play a rightful role, not through quotas or reservation, but through education and empowerment. If you operate out of straitjacket of logic, you remain a clown in the circus of life. Karma means both action and memory. There is no memory without action and no action without memory. If you are constantly aware of your mortal nature, you will only do what truly matters to you. All creatures are an expression of the Creator. If you are willing, every creature is a doorway to the Creator. Liberation is not my idea, it is the fundamental longing in every form of life. If human beings did not exist, the planet would flourish. The question is not how useful we are, but how beautiful we live. Yoga is the technology of upgrading, activating, and refining your inner energies for the highest possibilities. If you break the shell of your personality, you will simply be presence, as life is, as God is, just a presence. God is the creator, not a manager. Humans have the privilege of managing their own lives. If you are really looking for truth, don't assume anything, just seek. Nothing in life is a problem, everything is a possibility. Doing sadhana means trying to become an invitation to the divine. If you spend time in the forest, you will realize that you are just one more life. It's a huge spiritual step to feel for life around you the way you feel about yourself. We need to look at water and soil, particularly rivers and forests, as national treasures, not as something that everyone can exploit whichever way they want. To be miserable is a horrible crime against yourself and against humanity. You only spread who you are. Once you go beyond the compulsive cyclical nature of existence, life becomes spectacular. You cannot control what the world throws at you, but what you make out of it is 100% yours. Sri Rama is an epitome of this. Using yoga just as a therapy is like using an airplane as a bus. Silence is a space beyond creation and creator, beyond life and death. As you practice silence, slowly you can become silence. Work is worthwhile only if it touches lives. The greatest courage is not in fighting outside battles but in addressing the source of conflict within yourself. This is what Sri Mahavir represents. Hatha Yoga should not be taught as an exercise form but as a life process. Then asanas will lead to ecstatic states. If you face situations that you do not know how to deal with, there are many possibilities. That's when you can really explore life.